Welcome to the StatTree video module for Cochran's Q. To test whether there are differences between three or more categorical variables, the Cochran's Q test would be appropriate. This test is similar to the Repeated Measures ANOVA, but for categorical variables. You will need three dichotomous categorical variables in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, the era of preferred movie is categorical with two nominal values. Fortunately, subjects were tested for preference of movie era before and after viewing movie trailers in our experiment. The original survey response, as well as the first and second exposure to a movie trailer treatment to this preference of movie era, would be appropriate for our demonstration. To run the Cochran's Q test for differences in VS Code, type in the following Julia code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, go to the Explorer pane, browse to the location of the Julia script, and double-click on the JL file. The script will appear in the top right pane. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Julia will generate an output in the console window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is a significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here is your test result. You would report this figure as well as the p-value significance figure. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.